Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2024 code? This code means your car's EVAP fuel vapor temperature sensor circuit is sending a higher than normal voltage signal to the ECU. If you ignore this issue, it can affect the EVAP system operation, increase emissions, and may cause your vehicle to fail an emission test. P2024 stands for EVAP fuel vapor temperature sensor circuit high. In simple terms, the ECU is detecting that the fuel vapor temperature sensor signal is to high, which usually indicates a wiring issue, sensor fault, or electrical problem in the EVAP system. This problem is more common in modern vehicles with advanced evaporative emission control systems. Common symptoms include a check engine light, EVAP system malfunction, increased emissions, fuel smell near the vehicle, and in some cases, slightly reduced fuel efficiency. Most of the time, drivability remains normal, but the emission system will not work efficiently. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The EVAP fuel vapor temperature sensor is usually located near the fuel tank, charcoal canister, or integrated within the EVAP canister assembly. In many vehicles, it is mounted on top of the fuel tank or attached to the vapor lines under the rear side of the vehicle. The charcoal canister is typically located near the fuel tank underneath the car. The EVAP purge valve is usually found in the engine bay near the intake manifold and connected to the EVAP lines. All related wiring harness and connectors run along the underbody from the fuel tank area to the engine control module. For quick diagnosis, start by scanning live data using an OBD2 scanner and check the EVAP temperature sensor voltage readings. Then inspect the sensor wiring and connectors near the fuel tank area for corrosion, heat damage, or loose connections. After that, check for any short to power in the circuit, which is a very common reason for a circuit high code. Also inspect the charcoal canister and EVAP lines for damage or blockage. If the sensor is giving unrealistic temperature readings, it may be faulty and require replacement. Finally, repair any damaged wiring, replace the faulty EVAP temperature sensor if needed, clear the code, and perform a proper drive cycle to confirm the fix. Remember, the most common causes of P2024 are a faulty EVAP temperature sensor, shorted wiring, connector issues, or EVAP canister-related problems. Fixing this issue on time will restore proper EVAP system operation, reduce emissions, and prevent future emission-related faults.